Have you had enough of feeling exhausted because your snoring keeps waking you up every night? Intro. Has your snoring affected past relationships? Or is it affecting one right now, because your current wife, husband or partner refuses to sleep in the same room as you? If you suffer from sleep apnea, are you worried that it could be affecting your long-term health, and even your life expectancy? To solve this problem, go to the link given in the description and get complete information.